If you're in the cryptocurrency market, then there is one thing that we talk about over and over again in this space, and that is obtaining generational wealth. Obtaining wealth by investing in cryptocurrencies, because this is a new and upcoming technology that is doing very well to spread very quickly. Approximately 6% of the world's population owns cryptocurrency at this point. And so the idea is to get wealth now so that we can retire early and have generational wealth for our families. That's one of the reasons that people buy Bitcoin, because the belief is over time it's a good store of value and it's just going to increase over time. This is, one way to set yourself up as a safety net for the future. Another way might be buying life insurance for yourself with just a standard life insurance agent. There's a variety of life insurance companies out there, but now there's something new coming along that I want to share with you guys in this video. And what if you could get life insurance, but in Bitcoin? Say what? Yes, that's right, guys. Life insurance in Bitcoin. It is actually very, very interesting. And I want to share it with you guys in this sponsored video brought to you guys by Meanwhile. I'm going to get into this one. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel, everybody. Listen to this through the end because it's extremely interesting and possibly something to look into for yourselves. Let's get into this. So, guys, Meanwhile is the first crypto-denominated life insurer. So a couple things to know about this company. They are the first and only life insurance company denominated in Bitcoin. They're advertising here, leverage the value of your Bitcoin during your life and secure your family's future after you've gone with our whole life insurance policy. Now, some people just buy Bitcoin and that's the insurance policy. And then, they can give their family the secret key, right? And then they'll own the Bitcoin. But what if we could take this a step further and actually get a life insurance policy, right? But pays out in Bitcoin. You pay it in Bitcoin and it pays out in Bitcoin. Well, that is officially around. This company started a subsidiary that is dominated in Bitcoin and regulated by the Bermuda Monetary Authority. And they accept premiums and pay claims in Bitcoin. This is a real product that is there right now. They do all their investments in Bitcoin and do all their reserves and audited financials in Bitcoin. The operations of this company are very basic as any other insurance company out there. They do the underwriting, claims, reserving, and the actuarial work in standard ways. It's all just denominated in Bitcoin. So here's something very, very interesting. They've actually raised $20 million for this idea so far. One of those investors from Sam Altman. Sam Altman, the same guy with ChatGPT, and he actually got kicked out of ChatGPT. Sam Altman is a huge name. They've got Gradient, which is part of Google essentially, Northwestern Mutual, and many other people have come up. Many CEOs from the fintech and crypto industry have put money towards this project, and it is a very, very interesting project to say the least. Again, this is a sponsored video, but I genuinely find this actually very interesting and something to look into. And in general, I am a person, me and my wife, we have a kid coming later this year. We've been looking at getting life insurance policies, and this literally just came across my radar. And I'm going to look into this a little bit more personally because it's just at least very interesting and potentially, a very cool idea because I like Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going to be valuable in the future. Maybe you do this in conjunction with a regular life insurance policy. Again, I'm not telling you guys to do this. This isn't financial advice, but it's certainly very interesting. So a couple more things about the product, this product that they're offering. It's a tax efficient way to hold Bitcoin with guaranteed growth and return in Bitcoin terms. Allows for liquidity through lending. It's easy to set up. It's tax efficient way to hold Bitcoin. And it lasts your whole life, in quotes, just kind of playing off a whole life policy idea. And since you will eventually die, it is a product both to protect you and your loved ones should that day come prematurely, but also an investment and an intergenerational wealth transfer. This is back to that generational wealth idea that cryptocurrency is all about. Guys, we track these markets every single day to try to gain wealth, to retire early, to gain generational wealth, to pay for our colleges, our children's college tuitions in the future, or to pay for their life in case one day we do get pulled away from this earth early and we need to sustain, need financials to sustain our family, keep going after we're good and gone one day. So this is one of those ways to do it. Buying Bitcoin and crypto is one of those ways to do it. This is another way to do it. I really do find this very, very interesting. So the way it works They've got a couple FAQs. Check out the website at meanwhile.bm. Do your own research, my friends. Make sure you type in the right links. Don't type in any fake websites. But when will it be available? It's now. It's available now. Join the wait list, and a member of their team will reach out to you. It is only in the U.S. for now, but they're urging other citizens of other countries to basically get in line if you're interested. So this is for primarily U.S. individuals at this point. It is only Bitcoin at this point. How much does it cost? And, how do you do it? And what types of people purchase the policy? And, how about sizing the policy? Well, they were telling me here, you can pay in 10 equal installments or pay upfront through a premium pre-funding account, and then designate your beneficiaries to receive a fixed payout upon death. Example, like paying a Bitcoin a year for 10 years, your beneficiaries would get something like 15. Just as an example, as the policy accumulates in value, you can take out a tax-free policy loan, and it's a taxable event, capital gains or losses, to transfer them Bitcoin for a policy. So a couple other benefits they have to the policies that they wanted me to share with you guys. And here's their Twitter, by the way, if you want to look at them a little bit more, at Meanwhile Life. A couple things to note. Protection. Your loved ones get a fixed payout amount no matter when you die. Number 2, tax advantage returns. The payout is higher than when you pay into the policy, and those returns are tax-free. Tax-free compounding savings rate actually inside the policy. And number 3, tax advantage liquidity. Now this one's very interesting, kind of like a regular life insurance policy, a whole life insurance policy. You can take a tax-free policy loan against the policy in Bitcoin terms. So if Bitcoin 10x, for example, you could borrow a new tax basis Bitcoin from Meanwhile, the platform, this entity, sell it immediately then to cash out and not owe any capital gains tax because you sold at cost basis. The loan itself is in Bitcoin, so you never had any risk of getting margin called. You can either pay back the Bitcoin loan or let it accrue during your lifetime and net out against the death benefit. This is very interesting to me. I actually am involved in insurance in my day job. I do group health plans specifically. Life insurance isn't my specific niche in this market, but no doubt life insurance is important. And if maybe you're not doing it with crypto yet, or you're not there yet, but in your regular life, it's something that, I genuinely am looking into for life insurance. I have not pulled the trigger on a policy yet. Obviously, I have health benefits through my job. That is huge. But this is one extra thing to just set you and your family up for success in case of a tragic event. As we've seen over the last weekend, you never know what can happen day to day. Some event unfolds and all of a sudden it's over. This is an interesting backup plan. Very exciting to see some idea come like this out where $20 million were donated by people like Sam Altman and other Google partners and things. This is a small account still, only 1,300 followers right now. This is a new and upcoming company. It looks like they joined Twitter in March of 2023, so it's new. Gotta do your own research, guys. Look into this if you're interested in it. I want to share with you guys today because there's no doubt, guys, that if you look at the trajectory of Bitcoin, it looks like it's going to keep going up into the right over time, and sometime, maybe even in the year 2025, we could see a $200,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin. Just imagine the benefit that you could get from putting in Bitcoin into that is just basically getting held for you, where you could take out a loan against it. It's going to grow over time, and it's going to give you an increased payout upon death. That is pretty interesting, especially considering the fact that people believe, myself included, that Bitcoin's going to go up big time over time. This is a sponsored video brought to you guys by Meanwhile, but I want to share some of the details with you guys. I hope you found this interesting as I did. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, as always, my friends, to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you next time. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you later.